Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select a default task note on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the settings icon. Here you can find the task option under the notebooks, and here you can find the select default task note option, and you can create a new note. If you click that, you can add the name and you can create that, and you can add as your default note. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.